Today we will discuss a new chapter, inverse trigonometry. This is a part of the trigonometry. 11th class we have discussed trigonometry of a compound angles, trigonometry, how to solve, and that is in trigonometric equation we have solved. Now rest part is inverse trigonometry. What is the meaning of this function? Inverse function. Trigonometry, inverse trigonometry. Inverse trigonometry plays an important role in calculus. In differentiation you have already done. In integration also you know. In application of derivative also inverse trigonometry involves. So in each and every field the inverse trigonometry exists. But its application is wide. That means if we have, just like if we have f of x is y, it is a function, then x is called f inverse y. F is equal to f inverse y. That is the inverse function. Similarly, if you take sin theta is equal to x, then theta is sin inverse x. So theta is sin inverse x. Unlike this sin inverse x, there is sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Sin inverse x opposite. Cosec inverse x. Cos inverse x opposite. Sec inverse x. Tan inverse x opposite. Cot inverse x. So these are the 6 inverse trigonometric functions. Sin inverse x, cosec inverse x, cot inverse x, sec inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x. These are the 6 inverse trigonometric functions. We have to find just simply its domain and the range, and we have deleted the portion graph of the inverse trigonometric function was deleted from your syllabus. So we will discuss only for a sub question only 2 things: the domain and range. Sometimes some sub question is coming. The domain and the range of sin inverse, cos inverse, and tan inverse. Now, we know that sin theta lies between -1 to 1. That is, sin theta, its range is -1 to 1. Sin theta, its range is -1 to 1. If you multiply the inverse, that is sin inverse -1 less than equal to theta less than equal to sin inverse 1. Sin inverse -1 means -pi/2 less than equal to theta less than equal to pi/2. So this is the domain. So sorry, this is the range. What is the domain? Domain is -1. Range is -pi/2 pi/2. Domain is -1. Similarly, cos inverse x is function from -1 to 1, because cos theta also lies between -1 to 1. So -1 to 0 to pi/2, because 0 to pi, because cos 0 1, cos pi is -1. Tan inverse x belongs to any real number. You have to remember this. That is -pi/2 pi/2 -1 to 1. Here also we can write like this: sin inverse x -1 to 1 -pi/2 to pi/2. So this is the basic short questions. Domain, range, and sin function and tan function. Next, come to important topics. Inverse trigonometry is the block of formulas. We have two proofs. Question is coming to prove the formula or by the application. Now, first thing is sine of sine inverse theta is equal to theta. Cos of cos inverse theta is equal to theta. Tan of tan inverse theta is equal to theta. Or reverse, if you write sine inverse sine theta, theta, cos inverse cos theta, also theta, tan inverse tan theta, also theta. This is the most important formula that we can cancel sine inverse sine, we cancel, that will be number one. Number two, sine inverse x is the cosec inverse 1 by x. Cos inverse x is sec inverse 1 by x. Tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 by x. We can also prove all this formula, but it is a small question, so we will not prove. If you want, let sine inverse x is theta, sine inverse x is theta, so that sine theta is equal to x. We know cosec theta is 1 by x, that is theta is equal to cosec inverse 1 by x. We have taken sine inverse x is theta. In place of theta, we can put sine inverse x is equal to cosec inverse 1 by x. This proves the formula. So, question number 2. Next, on to 3. On to 3. We have sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is pi by 2, provided mod of x less than 1. Mod of x less than means value of x lies between -1 to 1. One of them should be proved. Suppose I will prove sine inverse of x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. We have to prove this. Let sine inverse x is equal to theta. Sine theta is equal to x. We know sine theta is cos pi by 2 means 90 minus theta. Sine theta is cos pi by 2 minus theta. We know from first year. So cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to x. Take the cos to the right side. This one will be pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos inverse x. Pi by 2 is theta plus cos inverse x. Because minus theta will be right side to be plus theta. We have taken theta is equal to, we have taken theta is sine inverse x. So pi by 2 is equal to, in place of theta puts sine inverse x, sine inverse x plus cos inverse x. This proves first. Similarly, the other two we can prove. It has the variable application. This one. Evaluating this one. Now, there is another thing. We have conversion formula. Sine inverse x is cos inverse 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse x bar 1 minus x square. or from cos, that is cos inverse x is sin inverse 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse 1 minus x square root over by x. This is called the conversion formula. Now come to proof. Let's do this. Let sin inverse x is equal to theta, so that x is equal to sin theta. We have x is sin theta. Now what is the cos theta? We know cos theta is 1 minus sin square theta. Where it comes? Because we have the basic idea is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. From here to bring this formula. So cos theta is 1 minus sin square theta. That is 1 minus. We have taken sin theta. Sin theta is x. The square is x square root. So theta is equal to how much? That is cos inverse 1 minus x square root. We have taken theta in this much. Now what is the value of theta? Theta we have taken sin inverse x. So this one is sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square. So sin inverse x is cos inverse 1 minus x square. Now how to find the tan inverse x? Third thing, because we know that tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. We have taken sin theta is x and cos theta is 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square, so that theta is tan inverse x by 1 minus x square root over. We have taken theta is sin inverse x. That is sin inverse x is equal to tan inverse x by 1 minus x square. So this, all of proof this. Take a small example. How it is applicable? Suppose we have given sin theta is 1 by 2. Then what is the value of cos theta? We have sin theta is 1 by 2. That is, suppose we have given sin inverse 1 by 2. We have given sin inverse 1 by 2. How to find the cos inverse? Use this formula. That is cos inverse. Here x is 1 by 2. Put here 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square root. That is cos inverse 1 minus 1 by 4 square root. That is cos inverse root 3 by 2. So sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to cos inverse root 3 by 2. Now cos inverse root 3 by 2, again how to find the tan? The formula works. Now come to tan inverse. That is tan inverse. We have given the formula x by 1 minus x square root. That is tan inverse x is 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 cancels. That is tan inverse 1 by root. So sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to cos inverse root 3 by 2 is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. That means sin, this implies sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to cos inverse root 3 by 2 is equal to tan inverse 1 by root. So this equals sin inverse 1 by 2 is cos inverse root 3 by 2 is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 3.